Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and yep, let's just get into it. By the way guys, I'm going to be posting a schedule so you guys know when I'm going to be posting videos and how many videos I'm going to be posting per day. So I'm going to tell you guys right now, but I'm going to be posting it in the community chat and in the Discord. So on Mondays to Fridays, I'm going to be making 2 videos each day, one in the morning and one in the evening. If you guys haven't noticed already, I usually do 2 a day, except for yesterday I had some issue uploading the first one in the morning, and then one video on Saturdays, just like this, so I could like take some break and relax, and then one stock video on Sundays. So that's about roughly 10. It's about 12 videos a week. I hope that's enough for you guys. If not, then definitely let me know. Maybe I could do more. But yeah, let's just get into it. At the moment, we can see that Bitcoin is just trending sideways. We're at $61,765. On the daily time frame, looking really bullish on the DBSI, but we didn't make a new higher high, even though it's a -5 and a 15. Doesn't look like there's much action at the moment. We could see on the 6 hour that the money flow is decreasing. We had a red dot there. It could have been a good short opportunity, but now we're just, trending sideways and we're getting a green dot right here. So let's see if the money flow actually does keep decreasing and maybe turns into the red. We could also see on the daily that the money flow is not decreasing, but all increasing a little bit, but it's sort of trending sideways at the moment as the momentum waves have come down a lot. This could just be a cooling off period. Maybe altcoins are going to pop off soon. We'll see. We could take a look at the Bitcoin dominance as well right here. If the Bitcoin dominance keeps falling, then yeah, I expect altcoins to maybe take a bit of a rally. Shiba Inu, down, just going to the moon, right? Hope you guys own some. Good, that would be some really good gains for you guys. It's up a crazy amount. It's up like over 800%, even more, because it used to be lower than that. It used to be near the $0, right? It was worth like nothing. Now it's worth I don't know what that denomination is or what that is, but it's up there now. It's up there. So if you guys hold that, congratulations, you deserve all those gains. You made some investments, right? I'm not hating on it at all, but definitely be careful, because if you're buying it now, you're definitely taking on more risk. And we can see that we are holding the EMA ribbons on Bitcoin. And something, Bitcoin's not really moving, but I really like to take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum right now is actually in a rising wedge. We can see here that we did break down from it, but we came back into the wedge, and now we're testing it as support again. This would have been a great shorting opportunity if you shorted 44.60 or 44.70 around this area. You would have gotten a great short opportunity. You could have shorted it all the way down here to 42.20. Right now it's trying to hold as support. Let's see if we do that. On the 1 hour time frame, we can see that we are bouncing off of it. Where's my RSI? There it is. Where's my RSI? There it is. There it is. Okay. And we can see that we are actually trying to hold it at the moment. On the 15-minute, we can see that we are dipping below. But yeah, honestly, let's take a look at the market cipher, see what we can decipher out of there. Looks like on the daily time frame it's pretty bullish, but let's take a look at the smaller one, see what we can see. Yeah, we can see that on the 6 hour the money flow is decreasing, and on the 4 hour as well the money flow is decreasing. So I would be very careful, but at the same time it all depends on Bitcoin, what it's going to do. Right now Bitcoin is just in a stalemate, not doing anything for the past couple of days, just trending sideways. And if we do pop up to the upside and make new all-time highs, then yeah, everything else is going to move up with it. Ethereum is going to skyrocket, probably break out of this wedge and go to new all-time highs as well. And let's take a look at the hash ribbons, as it's a good time. See if it's a good time to buy. We can see that on the hash ribbons, this little bit of a bull flag right here actually ended up breaking out. So technically, it's supposed to keep going up to 87,000 or 84,000, 70,000. But if we break back into it, yeah, we could definitely head lower, maybe to 53, right? This wedge can keep going all the way down here, as we could see. Probably draw it a little bit better, like there. There we go. And we could probably come back down. So I'm not saying we are going to come back down, but it's a very big possibility. And we are still up 38% on our spot buy on the market, so very good. And let's take a look at our VeChain investment. Let's just get this back on the daily time frame and pop over here, head over to the VeChain, and we can see that VeChain, we are coming back down at the moment, and we've actually tested our trend line once again, holding it as support. But I don't really like to see it tested too many times. But if it does keep going back up to the upside, we would be testing some pretty heavy resistance as we've seen before. Big old sell-off right there. I believe we came back down a very big 17%, so that would have been a great shorting opportunity. If you open some short at these levels, then you would have done fantastic, right? And if you use leverage, then good for you. You would have done an amazing job shorting from there. And let's take a look one more time at XRP, because I believe XRP could be heading towards a breakout at the moment. As we could see when we were trying to open our longs here, we had a long open at 0.9 cents, and we actually made a really good trade here. Ended up coming down, breaking the support, coming back up, holding it as right now, and we're trying to break back up at the moment. So if we do break back up, we could actually be testing the local highs again back at $1.30. So let's see if we can break out. Let's take a look at it on Market Cypher as well. Would be a great opportunity to make some long positions. Let's take a look. At the moment, we have a nice little green dot right there, which would technically be a trigger wave on the daily time frame, as we can see like that. A little bit of a bullish divergence. But the money flow is decreasing at the moment, so I would be careful. Let's take a look at the larger time frames, maybe the weekly time frame. Weekly is supposed to be bearish. On a 4-day, yeah, looking a little bit bearish there. But on the short time frames, we could also you could also see that the money flow is almost turning into the red at the moment. So I would be very careful opening some longs, and maybe look at the other side, because this technically is a descending wedge, right? So. No, sorry, not descending wedge. Descending as a triangle. So if we do break down, the more likely target is to the downside. But technically, it's already broken down, so it's come back up into the wedge. The technical target was already, let's take a look here, I believe. Let's see. It almost reached it, but the technical target was technically 88 cents, so I don't think it's going to break down. But I would be careful. Let's see where it goes. If it has a really good chance of breaking up to the upside, even though it's a descending triangle. Technically, the odds are against it, but let's see what Bitcoin does. If Bitcoin breaks to the upside, maybe XRP is going to break up with it. So, anyways, you guys have a wonderful day. Make some really good trades. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. We're almost at 5,800 subscribers. We're actually at 5,796. Let's see if we can get 4 more subs by the end of this video. Thanks, guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.